This 12 volt 10 ampere power supply not turning on, no output. Let's see what's wrong here and how to fix it. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair, because we will deal with live voltage. Take care for the safety. It is 220 volt operated. I will apply power using series lamp. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. If you are visiting first time to my channel, you are invited to subscribe it. I applied line voltage. AC input voltage 232 volt. DC output, no output. Let's fix it. When we will open it, we will not touch any component until we will verify the voltage on this capacitor, that is bulk capacitor, smoothing capacitor, and then we will start working. If there are voltage, we will discharge it. DC voltage 2.6 volt. It is safe. Diode. First we will verify its MOSFET. MOSFET good. MOSFET no short circuit. Drain to source. First we will verify voltage on its smoothing capacitor. DC voltage 336 volt. That means bridge rectifier and smoothing capacitor are good. Discharge the capacitor. Verify it. Okay. KA3842 IC. We will check VCC voltage and reference voltage. DC voltage, pin number 5 ground, pin number 7 VCC. VCC pin is fluctuating. Pin number 8, no 5 volt reference. If the IC is good, it must have 5 volt. This time its reference regulator is not working properly, that means the IC is damaged. If we have KA or UC 3842, 3843, 3844, 45, any of these ICs, if pin number 8 don't have 5 volt, that means the IC is not good. Let's replace this IC. Discharge the capacitor. The original IC is KA3842 and I will use UC3842 the same. Yes, we have this resistor burned out. If we see this resistor is connected here in series to this diode, that is VCC rectifier here, that is coming from VCC winding. Yes, it is damaged. I will jumper it. If needed, we can adjust it. It is to compensate the VCC voltage. Yes, I connected jumper. Output LED is powered on. .99 volt reference voltage. We can see the problem in this power supply, that this IC damaged. It caused to damage current limit resistor. That is VCC adjusting resistor, VCC compensation resistor. So these two components were damaged. .99 volt. Great. So it is controlling the voltage. If you enjoyed this process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.